So what he wrote in a letter, he wrote, God, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes because a hailstorm. So, what is the meaning of these lines? This was a main thing which he wrote in a letter, and this is very important lines of this chapter. And these lines will make a very important question also. What did Lancho write in his letter to God? He wrote that he needed 100 pesos. Pesos is their currency, and why he needed 100 pesos? So that he could sow his field again, and until the crop comes, until the crop is harvested, he can live and he can serve his family because the hailstorm had destroyed his crops. He wrote to God on the envelope. So this is the address which he wrote. He wrote to God and put the letter inside. Still trouble, went to town at the post office. He placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it on the mailbox. So this way he even placed a stamp on the letter as if he was sure that the letter would reach there. He followed the full procedure how the letter is sent actually, and dropped means he threw the letter, he put the letter in the mailbox. One of the employees, now after this what happens, one of the employees who was a postman and also helped at the post office went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known this address. So the postman, we know that whenever the letters are sent, then the postman gets a letter and he sorts the letter according to the address. So when he was sorting the letter and when he saw the letter was written to God, he was laughing actually, and he went to his boss, he went to the postmaster to show this letter. Now the postmaster was a fat and amiable person, means he was very friendly person, he was very frank with him, and he also broke out laughing. Broke out laughing means he also started laughing. But almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk commented, what faith! I wish I had the faith of a man who wrote this letter, starting up a correspondence with God. Correspondence means to send any, we can say, document to somebody, to exchange something with the help of letters or something. So the postmaster was laughing, but after some time he became serious because he was shocked to see the faith of a man who wrote a letter to God. He also wanted to have that faith in God.